Bitcoin is about to see a massive breakout. Nobody is actually having a look in towards these Bitcoin charts, and the majority is right now actually flipping bearish, while I think we are in a massive bear trap. Look, I still have my trade open on BitGet with only 2.5k profits, but I think coming next week we are going to be seeing a massive breakout towards the upside, and this is about to change. So first of all, for today, before actually heading in towards the imminent short term, it will be very important to have a look in towards this chart, because we have been trading at these low volume, low volatility ranges for almost a month actually, and usually around whenever we are trading at these low volatility ranges, well, right after that we can be seeing a massive spike of volatility. Look, whenever you are dipping in this low volatility range right here, just like I circled right here, well, right after that you can be seeing we are going to be spiking out of it, and we are going to be creating a massive Bitcoin move. But right now this is actually kind of different, because right now we are just staying inside of that range, and I just think the longer we are going to be actually staying inside of this range and are going to be seeing no volatility at all actually happening, well, the bigger the move in the end of the day will be, and I do think we will be seeing this move towards the upside. So then very quickly having a look in towards the imminent short term, well, not a lot of different things are happening as of yesterday. We are still having our support level, this yellow support level, which is going to be very important to be held. Look, if we are going to be falling down below, I do think we will be continuing this downtrend. And as you can be seeing, this right here, this wick, this push towards the upside was just a fake out towards the upside, but in the end of the day we will just be continuing our downtrend right here. So yeah, if we are going to be breaking down below, well, we should definitely start to be getting worried. But very important, if we can be holding the support level, well, then we are probably going to be starting an uptrend again, right? We first were in this downtrend, we were creating lower highs and lower lows, and right now, because if we can be holding this level, well, we are going to be creating a higher high, higher low, and then of course we are going to be starting an uptrend. Now, other than that, we might be starting to have a look in towards some kind of a symmetrical triangle being formed right here, because we do have an upward sloping trend line, and we have also formed right now an downward sloping resistance level. So yeah, in the coming few hours we might be expecting some kind of a breakout, and because of that, well, we might be breaking towards the downside right here, or we might be getting this significant bounce towards the upside that we are actually waiting for. So other than that, the stock market has also been moving towards the downside, but I just think we are in just another dip, just like this one right here, and in the end of the day we will be retracing it towards the upside. Look, because of this crash of the stock market towards the downside, we actually also saw Bitcoin right here dumping towards the downside, but just for Bitcoin it will be very important to watch this breakout and watch if this support level is going to be held. Now, we are coming very close towards some breakout, because on the daily time frame we can be seeing right here we are forming this falling wedge. Of course, we have seen a small little fake out of a little bit of a different falling wedge that we have drawn earlier, but I think whenever we draw this falling wedge just like so, well, whenever we can be breaking out of this one, we can be seeing this push towards the upside being created, as well as this downward sloping channel. Also, whenever we can be breaking above this one towards the upside, well, I do think we are going to be pushing towards the upside, and this move is about to be created anytime soon. Volatility is literally still sitting at all of these all-time lows, and it is absolutely crazy in my opinion. Look, the move that we are about to get is absolutely insane. We are also seeing the same amount of low volatility just like we have seen in 2016. So on the weekly time frame as well, the volatility is sitting at all-time lows literally. So absolutely crazy in my opinion. Whenever we can be breaking this one out towards the upside, I just think we are going to be seeing a massive candle towards the upside. So I'm going to be watching that, and also because the longer term charts are all pointing towards the direction towards the upside, I still do think we are actually going to be breaking towards the upside. We are seeing this historic buy signal right here with a golden cross right now flashing. We are seeing sellers are getting exhausted. We can be seeing all of these long-term charts are actually all pointing towards the direction that we are going to be seeing this bullish breakout. We are seeing a bullish Bitcoin supply shock. Of course, this is more kind of a theory for the next bull market, but still this will be very important. And also another thing is is that, well, we are of course in this larger term uptrend, and having a look into what's the on-chain indicators, well, we still have a lot more room for upside actually. We are not looking exhausted at all, and we have a lot more room left. That's why I still think, even though in the short term we might be a little bit bearish still, in the longer term I think we are going to be seeing this massive breakout happening, and that is a reason why I still have my long position open. So with that being said, be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.